guys, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Ayesha, and this is Ayesha's fruit herbal vegetable balcony hutters. So I'm just gonna briefly show you how to overwinter your plants. I have a previous video of that, but now that the weather is getting super duper chilly, I'm just gonna briefly show you how to do that. See, I've just put bean bag around the rooting system of the plant here, just to prevent it from shock, and I've just left a bit on top for easy ventilation because you don't want the plant to cook up. So yeah, created a bit of space in this transparent or clear bag, and I'm just gonna cover it around my seedlings. Yeah, I need a clear bag for this one, that way the sunlight can obviously reflect here as well. So yeah, try it out. This will help your seedlings to keep nice and warm despite being outdoors. This is how I managed to do it. Yeah, more like a greenhouse and a bit of space for ventilation, because if too much heat in there, it's gonna start, leaves are going to be affected, diseases is gonna crop in and what have you. So yeah, give me a thumbs up, a like, don't forget to subscribe, share the video. Thank you. To you, bye.